Let's do this quick garden update. It's Monday, May, I think the 18th or something. Let's give an update. Was it my plants are doing good? They're growing some jalapeno peppers right here. Chard is still hanging in there. Pole beans or pollen. This is a pepper plant. It's got some peppers coming in. Ooh, look at these two fat ones right here. I didn't even see those. I've had this plant for like 5 years. I just keep putting it up in the winter and bringing it out, and it produces tomatoes. Producing well. These must be my baby tomatoes, because over here we have some big old tomatoes clustered up right up in there. Get your garden going. There's still a lot of vegetables at the grocery store to be purchased. You don't have to start them from seed. And my tomato plants is almost as big as me, almost as tall as me. This one over here has got some tomatoes up in the back, some beans, some mint, some parsley, and over here, little water fountain going. I got some bell peppers that's coming in right here. Bell peppers high, and sometimes they don't even have them in the store. Green bell peppers. I've had these plants for over 5 years. I'll say about 5, 4 or 5. I just overwinter them in a bag and bring them out, and they produce. But I put some more bell peppers in here so I can keep those. That's the thing about peppers. You can put them up and bring them right back out. Over here, watermelon, cantaloupe. I pulled them more into the sun so they get more sun, but I was keeping them in the bag so the bag would stay cool. But I pulled them out front. They're sun-loving plants, so they can at least crawl out the bag before I move them back closer to the fence. Carrots are still germinating. Pulling in lots of carrots. I haven't thinned them out yet. They're still developing. My onions is doing good. I chopped them off and they're already growing back. I have onion bulbs underneath. They're just our mysterious plants that we got from TikTok, and we yet to figure out what they are. They're supposed to be beautiful, colorful banana leaves. So far, they grew up like weeds. They're getting bigger and bigger with no color. If anybody could tell me what this plant is, please do. We got it off the TikTok shop. Now my corn is doing good. When it cools off, one of these evenings, I'm gonna pack it up with some more soil and some more food for it to eat at the bottom. So I have a feeling these suckers is gonna get tall and hungry. All right, over here, my zucchini is flowering. Bell peppers are flowering. Beans is climbing. Squash is blooming. Beans. Bell peppers right here, more bell peppers. Now let's take a look over here. This is my cucumbers. Cucumbers is doing what they do, and they're flowering. See all these flowers down below? They're flowering. This just for the beautiful sunflowers. I seen that at the Home Depot. They had a big bucket up there, and they were so pretty, so I planted some in a bucket. And my potatoes is leaning. It's time for me to stop watering them so they can do what they do. And this is another potato plant. And I got an empty potato bag over there growing some more potatoes. You know, just what they call succession plantings, so you always have potatoes. Great. So, we take you to what I'm up to right now. I just had to This is some more cucumbers. And this is what they call zucchini. So I got some zucchinis and some cucumbers. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna plant some more and I'm gonna give some away. But I couldn't resist some more. I would have planted more stuff if I would have found more seeds, because they're sun-loving plants. My cilantro did not like the sun. Cilantro is hard to grow. I don't know why. My sage is good. Rosemary's good. Parsley good. And I have strawberries for the first time. But I didn't grow them from seed. I got them from the store. And yes, for the first time, I have strawberries. If the birds don't get to them first. Strawberries. Yeah. My, this is supposed to be, what is it, spinach. And the spinach bolted because I had it out there with the rest of the heat-loving plants. But it is spinach. It reminds you of my drying rack. When I clip off some herbs, I put them in here to air dry. I got some bell pepper seeds in there air drying. I got some basil air drying. A little bit of everything's air drying. I just need to bottle them up and bag them up. This is a great way to air dry your food and keep them and curate them without a mess around your house. So this is the update so far for my garden. I'll keep y'all posted and follow for more. And I encourage you guys, get it in the garden. Food is too high to be buying produce you can grow at home. Grow at home. All right, follow for more. Bye.